At the bakery, there were 9 trays of cookies with 25 cookies on each tray. How many cookies were there at the bakery? So I'm going to look through this question again. I'm going to figure out what it's asking me to do. So I'm trying to figure out how many cookies were there at the bakery. I know there's 25 cookies on each tray, and I know there's 9 trays of cookies. So I think where I'm going to start is I'm going to draw myself a little picture to help me understand what's going on in this problem. So it says there are 9 trays. I'm going to draw my 9 trays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got my 9 trays of cookies. Then it says there are 9 trays of cookies with 25 cookies on each tray. So I'm just going to write the number 25 in each tray just so I know that there's 25 cookies there. So 25 here, 25 here, 25, 25, 25, 25, another 25, another 25, and my last group of 25. So I'm going to look at this picture. I'm going to see if it reminds me of anything. Does it remind you guys of anything? We've got groups of 25. Groups of 25. What does that make me think of? What operation would that be? If you said it's multiplication, absolutely right, because I've got groups of 25, right? So it's like saying I've got 9 groups with 25 each, and I don't know my total, right? So to find that total out, we've got to multiply these two numbers, right? So how can I do that? Because I'm not very good at skip counting by 25s, right? Take a look at that. I can't skip count by 25s too well. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to think about another model we've used in class. I'm going to draw it. I want you to see if you can guess what I'm doing. What am I doing? Writing 20 plus 5 on top. What model is this? If you said it's a partial product strategy, you are absolutely correct. So from here, remember, you multiply this side times this side, right? So I'm going to multiply my 9 times my 20 first. So 9 times 2 I know is going to be 18, and you add that 0 from the top because it's part of that number. You don't just forget them. And then 9 times 5 I know will be 45. So now what do I do with these two numbers? I know I've multiplied the top by the side. Now what do I do with 180 and 45? Go ahead and solve this up, finish it on up. I hope you worked along with me. As long as you're watching, that's fine. Go ahead and solve it from here and write your answer in the box.